Welcome to the Buckskin Revolution YouTube channel, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. My work and this channel are all about sharing ancestral skills and skills for wilderness, homestead, and off-grid living. Other ways to be living a more land-based life, more connected with the world around us, with the seasonal cycles, and with our human ancestry. So I really believe that inspiring and empowering people to be able to create the things that they need for their lives with their own two hands from natural materials in the world around them leads to us feeling more connected, wilder, freer, happier, and feeling more whole, which is wonderful for individuals and makes a big difference for the planet as a whole. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. And if you like what I'm doing, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Patreon membership starts as low as $3 a month. And for that, you get early access to my YouTube videos. You get exclusive videos, as well as audio talks, newsletters, and other content. Different tiers get different benefits. There are also occasional special offers and giveaways, so there's a lot of benefits, plus you're supporting me to do my work in the world. So thank you so much for considering that. There's a link at the end of this video and on my website, and check out my website for more information about my schedule and all of the other things I offer. Thank you so much, everyone. Looking forward to living the Buckskin Revolution with you all.